Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Excel with the SUM formula, exploring its versatility and providing you with 6 real-world examples that will level up your spreadsheet game. Hello Excel enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel all about Lean Six Sigma and continuous improvement tools. So buckle up and let's dive in. 1. Basic SUM function. Let's start with the basics. The SUM function is like the Swiss Army knife of Excel, adding up numbers in a range with a simple formula. Whether it's a column of expenses or a row of sales figures, SUM can quickly give you the total sum of your data. 2. Summing multiple ranges. But what if your data is scattered across different parts of your sheet? No worries, you can sum multiple ranges by separating them with the SUM function. This is fantastic when your data isn't neatly organized in a single row or column. 3. Using AutoSum. Now, let me introduce you to a time-saving trick, AutoSum. It's like the shortcut to happiness in Excel. Simply select the cell where you want the sum, click on AutoSum, and Excel intelligently suggests the range. Press Enter, and voila, your sum is calculated instantly. Before moving into our 4th example, if you want to learn more about the fundamentals of Lean Six Sigma and how it can improve your organization, check out our book on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. 4. Summing with criteria. But what if you need to sum based on specific conditions? Enter SUMIFS. This powerful function allows you to sum values that meet multiple criteria. It's like having a customized tally for your specific needs. Want to sum sales for a particular product in a specific month? SUMIFS is the answer. 5. Summing with wildcard characters. Take your SUMIFS game to the next level by incorporating wildcard characters. Need to sum values that contain a specific text string? Just throw in the asterisk for a wildcard. It's an excellent way to flexibly sum data based on partial matches. 6. Summing with indirect. Another trick up our sleeves is the indirect function. This gem allows you to create dynamic ranges, perfect for situation where your sum range changes based on certain conditions. It's like having Excel read your mind and adjust the sum accordingly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel brilliance, and drop a comment below with the next Excel function you'd like us to explore. If you want to support our work on this channel, consider supporting us on Patreon. Link will be in the description below. And until next time, never stop improving.